Hey there, future trading pros. If you're just starting out, you need to know about these 5 common mistakes that can seriously hurt your progress. Stick around, because avoiding these can save you tons of stress and money. First up, not having a trading plan. Jumping into the market without a strategy is like driving blindfolded. You need a solid plan that includes entry and exit strategies, risk management rules, and your trading style. Without this, you're just gambling. Next, ignoring risk management. Many beginners put too much on the line in a single trade, and that's a recipe for disaster. Stick to risking only 1 to 2% of your capital per trade and always use stop-loss orders. This keeps your losses manageable. Then there's overtrading. It's easy to think more trades equal more profit, but that's a myth. Overtrading leads to high transaction costs, emotional decisions, and burnout. Focus on quality over quantity. Another biggie is letting emotions control your decisions. Fear and greed are your worst enemies. You might exit winning trades too early out of fear, or hold on to losing trades hoping they'll turn around. Discipline and sticking to your strategy are key, and finally, not learning from your mistakes. Every trade is a lesson. Keep a trading journal and review your past trades. Analyze what worked and what didn't, so you can refine your strategies and avoid repeating the same mistakes. Alright, that's it for today. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more trading tips. Happy trading!